Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you in need of a little spa night? I think you probably are. I know I definitely was. In fact, I definitely am on a regular basis. And this is my go-to for a lovely, relaxing bubble bath. I love Dr. Teal's foaming bath because not only is it soothing and relaxing and the bubbles make it luxurious, but it also has Epsom salt in it, which I love to soak in Epsom salt because it just helps me to relax. And I find it so helpful, especially on sore muscles after a long day or a long week. This is the Soothe and Sleep with Lavender bubble bath. So it has a really nice, gentle lavender scent. It smells so good. It smells like real lavender. I'm pretty sensitive when it comes to artificial fragrances, so I love that this is just like that natural, real lavender scent. It's very, very gentle. And now, depending on how much you use, you have full control over how many bubbles you're going to get in the bubble bath. So if you just want a little bit, you can just use a little bit of this bubble bath. Or if you want to go crazy with bubbles, add in more. I find that it bubbles up really well. And especially if you add it in while the water is running. At first, it might seem like there's not a terrible amount of bubbles, but those bubbles are going to multiply. And it just results in such a luxurious, lovely bath experience. I love Dr. Teal's bubble bath. I highly recommend checking it out if you're looking for a lovely, simple spa experience at home. But that's just my point of view.